In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 on my Headway account for months. And zounds, it's confluxed my capital to plus 1,814.99% gains with the panache of a parodic merger of margins. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that fuses fortune from flux. And after its ludic lordship over losses, I'm compelled to chronicle this comedy. Lend an ear to my review of this Conflux conjurer of currency. The zip folder for the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the ex4 file, set file, and installation instructions PDF in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 to XAUUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet, and there the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 parades its plus 1,814.99% absolute gain escapade on Headway, ballooning $100 deposits into $9,203.96 balance with $1,509.27 profit after no withdrawals. Daily, 1.18% chuckles. Monthly, 42.33% guffaws. Equity curve of bemused descent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 75%, meaning 3,347 of 4,000. 434 trades winners. 1,373 longs at 64%, and 1,427 shorts at 65%. Way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win, a juicy 26.69 pips, $14.56 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 44.91 pips. Negative $14.46, thanks to the Conflux EA version 1.32, MT4's built-in dynamic hedging and order management that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net pips? 14,242.4. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 13.26% absolute, max 56.62% relative, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin low at 0.79%. Profit factor of 1.84 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in nearly 2 back. Sharp ratio's 0.11 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings, and the Z-score of minus 2.21, 99.99%, against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions, $1,088.50 on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 3.3 pips $4.29 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day for those M1 precision entries. This month's analytics, steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 1,800% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 on MT4 with 506,685 one ticks from September 25 data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $6,171. Gross profits $7,800, edging out losses of negative $1,629 for that clean edge. 22 trades total, win rate 100% overall, average trade netting positive with max drawdown 4.75% absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 has you as pumped, as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Conflux EA v1.32 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.